Hello everybody, welcome to NityaCloudtech. In this video, we are going to learn how to create dynamic workflow solution in Azure Data Factory. Data Factory allows dynamic solution of pipeline via three elements: parameters, variables, expressions. Let's go through one by one. Parameters. Parameters are used to pass external values into pipelines, dataset, link services, and data flows. Once the parameter has been passed into the resource, it cannot be changed. By parameterizing resource, you can reuse them with different values each time. So let's say if we have multiple files to load into Azure Data Factory, using Azure Data Factory into data lake or Azure Blob storage. And we don't need to create multiple data set for each file. We can parameterize the file name value. We can create one parameter and then parameterize the file name value. And then we can pass the file name as a parameter each time we use the data set. So let's say you have multiple files. Let's say you have 9 or 10 files. So you don't need to create 10 data set for each file to load. You just can create one data set and then using parameter you can pass the value and runtime. Now let's move into variable. Variables are temporary values that are used within the pipeline to control the execution of flow. They can be changed inside that pipeline. Variables can be modified through expression using set variable activity or append variable activity during the execution of workflow. Parameters and variables can be completely separate or they can work together. For example, you can pass a parameter into a pipeline and then use that parameter value in a set variable or append variable activity. Now let's move into expression. Expression basically it is a JSON based formula which allow for modification of variables or any parameters for pipeline, action or connection in Azure Data Factory. For example, string concatenation. Using string concatenation, you can create an expression with a concat function to combine two or more strings. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel.